Hey, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you the simple steps to turn your iPhone notes into PDFs easily. If we want to convert a note into a PDF, we will open our notes first to access the note we need. We will open the note that we want to convert into a PDF for editing and sharing options. Here is the option of share. We will go there to explore sharing and exporting options. After that, we have the option of print here, which is crucial for creating our PDF. We will click on print to initiate the PDF conversion process. We will go to share again here to finalize the conversion and save our note. We can see that our PDF document has been converted successfully, a key step in our process. We will accept it from here as a save to file, allowing us to store our new PDF. And our notes will be converted into PDF format, making them easily shareable and printable, which is perfect for archiving or sending to others securely. We can see that this PDF document is now ready to use, view, and easily share as needed, which conveniently completes our conversion task with a fully usable file. Converted your iPhone notes to PDF on iOS 16? Check the description for a discount, like, and subscribe.